Hey guys, it's Lisa here from the JayLi Life and welcome to my channel. So on today's Cook With Me video, we're going to be doing some barbecue chicken, some grilled asparagus, and some barbecued potatoes. So like always, I'm gathering up all my ingredients. I like to have everything with me when I am ready to meal prep. But first thing first, we're going to make some iced tea. So here I'm adding a third cup of Lipton iced tea mix to 5 cups of water, and I'm going to freshly squeeze some lime juice into my tea, which is about 2 limes. And because it ends up being just a little tart afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and add a third cup of sugar. Give that a good mix and stick it into the fridge. Now this potato recipe I found on Pinterest. So if you're interested and you like what you see, I'm going to have the recipe link down below in the description box. So you guys go ahead and check that out. So here what I'm doing is I'm thinly slicing some red potatoes. About 6 or 7 potatoes is what I have there. And so we're going to go ahead and add it to our foiled baking pan, which I coated with non-stick cooking spray. And also to this recipe, you're going to need half a red onion thinly sliced. And you're also going to add that to your potato mixture as well. And now here we're going to add some barbecue sauce. Here I'm adding Sweet Baby Ray's. It's just my go-to barbecue sauce, but I guess you can use whichever one you like. And then here I'm going to add about 3/4 cups of shredded cheese. And of course some salt and pepper to taste. And then you just want to go ahead and give that a good mix. Combine it very well. And then once you have done that, just go ahead and grab some foil, cover it up, and just set it to the side. And now for my barbecue chicken, it already came seasoned and marinated and packaged just like this. Okay, so back inside we go. So here what I'm doing is I'm cutting off the tips of the asparagus. And just make sure that when you wrap it with the bacon, make sure you secure it pretty tight with the bacon because you don't want it falling apart once you add it to the grill. So really quick, let me clean up this mess. I sure did make a big mess today. Alright, so we're here checking up on our chicken. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. So I guess my husband's turning it. And now you just want to make sure you go out there and just give it a little shimmy. And now we're going to add our asparagus. Now one thing I was realizing was that the cheese wasn't melting. I didn't like how it was looking outside. So I brought it inside and I added more cheese. And now the final touch is the bacon pieces. So I'm just adding the bacon pieces to this. You can make your own bacon and crumble it. But it looks like that. And I'm going to stick it into the oven just until the cheese melts. So I'm going to put the foil back on it. So here's our food, guys. It was so good. And this is the results of that. Now, one thing I am going to say is that after trying this potato mixture, it was really good. But honestly and preferably, I wouldn't add the onions. That's just my choice. But we are going to give it a try again, but without the red onions. Maybe with yellow onions. So this is how the plate turned out. It was really good. So like always at the end, this is what I'm left with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you like these cook and clean with me videos that I share with you. I do know that I come in here and I share some other recipes that I don't feel like they should make it out onto a video on its own. So I like to come in here and show it to you guys this way. So, and if you're new to my channel and you liked what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that notification button and click all so you can get notified to all my videos that I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.